Hello everyone, today I will show you BX series immersive unboxing. The outer box design is very simple and the carton is thick to protect the product during transportation. Support packaging customization to meet the diverse needs of customers. Open the carton, you will see a large black non-woven dust-proof canvas bag. Then you see the bike kit, with pearl sponge pads on both sides to protect the wheels. Overall packaging is good. The BX kit is very simple, with no cables. The battery, controller and motor are all integrated in the hub, and it has a very unique pedal design. The pedal surface is made of fire retardant and flame retardant ABS material, which is very safe. Feel damn good. There is also an accessory box, charger, installation manual, installation tools, disc brake. Simple and smart bike kit. I love it. In the next issue, we will show you how to install the BX bike kit. See you there. Please follow us and give a like if you liked the video.